Hey guys, Mushroom Studio here. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. My sister, that's really bad. She sorry, that's just my sister. She was cooking some noodles, just the ones you cook in the microwave, and she didn't take them back out. She forgot, and well, kind of caused tons of smoke in my house. And
you mean our house?
Yeah, I said our house.
Oh.
It kind of caused tons of smoke in my house. And like it was really, really bad. And there's still quite a bit of smoke. There's still smoke coming out of that. I don't think our microwave's gonna work anymore. This is just an update on what goes on in my house. That's really crazy. And I've got a new fish tank. Like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and this update.
When I smoke your house, how I go
Thanks
to
for
bathroom.
watching. Bye.